Good morning, students of class 5A. In this video class of mathematics, we are starting chapter 12, geometry. The few basic facts about geometry. Number one is point. It has no length, no breadth or thickness. No length, no breadth, no thickness. We use a capital letter to name a point, such as this is any point, we give name A. Number two, line. A line has no beginning and no end. Means from where it starts and from where it will end, there is no fixed. So we draw this with the arrowhead, and under this we can give these 2 points. We can give a name AB. So a line has no beginning. This arrowhead shows that there is no beginning, no end point. A line is denoted by 2 capital letters with both sided arrowhead upon it. Suppose this line will be denoted by AB with this type of arrowhead. Third is line segment. A line segment has 2 endpoints with fixed length. Actually, a line segment is the part of the line. If you remove this part AB from a line, then this became the line segment. It has both a starting point and end point. It has also the fixed length, and a line segment is denoted by 2 capital letters with a bar line upon it. Next is ray. It has a starting point with no end point. A ray is also a part of a line. It has one starting point but no end point. That no end point is denoted by this arrowhead. The starting point is denoted by this fixed point P. A ray is denoted by 2 capital letters. Here is PQ, and upon those 2 capital letters a bar line with one arrowhead is given. So in this example, PQ is a ray. Upon PQ, one bar line with one arrowhead is given. In this way we denote a ray. Next is collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points lying on the same straight line. See here, this is the ray, or this is the straight line. Upon that A, B, C, D, these 4 points are lying. So these 4 points are lying on the same straight line. Therefore, these 4 points are called collinear points. In this example, A, B, C and D are collinear points. Next is non-collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points, those do not lie on the same straight line, are called non-collinear points. Here points will be plural form. In this example, these 3 points P, Q and R, these 3 points do not lie on the same straight line. Therefore, these 3 points P, Q, R are non-collinear points. Next is intersecting lines. 2 or more than 2 lines that cross each other at a point are called intersecting lines. In this example, AB, CD and EF, these 3 are lines, those intersect each other at point O. So AB, CD and EF are intersecting lines. Now parallel lines, lines which are at equal distance from each other and never meet are called parallel lines. These 2 lines A and B, between these 2 lines this distance is equal at every point. Here distance means the perpendicular distance. Between this, if distance is equal between AC and BD, and these two lines will never meet if you extend further, then these lines are called parallel lines. These parallel lines are denoted by this symbol. In this example, AB and CD, these two are lines. Between these two lines, distance AC and BD are equal. Therefore, AB and CD are parallel lines, or we can say CD and AB are parallel lines. And perpendicular lines, when two lines meet each other at a 90 degree. Here are two lines AB and CD. These two lines are meeting at 90 degree at this point O. We can give this name as O. Here is O, this point. When two lines meet each other at 90 degree or right angle are called perpendicular lines. This is the symbol of right angle, this one. These perpendicular lines are denoted by this symbol. So in this figure, AB is perpendicular to CD, or we say CD is perpendicular to AB. Let us start exercise 12.1, question number 1, fill in the blanks. In question number 1a, a line segment is a dash of a line, is a part of a line. Question number b, array has dash starting point. Array has one starting point. Question number c, a line has dash endpoints. A line has two endpoints. And question number d, a line segment has two endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. And here a line has, in question number c, that answer will be a line has no endpoints. A line has no endpoints. Question number D, a line has two endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. And in question number E, that is array is a part of a line. Question number 3. Classify the following into raised line segments and line. In A, figure is given there, AB is line segment. AB is line segment. In question number B, PQ is a line because it has two arrowheads, no endpoints, no starting point. So PQ is a line. Question number C, MN is a line segment. MN is a line segment. Question number D, OA is array because it has one starting point but no end point. So OA is a array. And question number E, no end point, no starting point. So GH is a line. Question number 6. Represent the following using symbolically. In question number A, ray QS, how will you represent? This ray QS will be represented as, write these two letters, upon this you give one bar line with one arrowhead, line RQ, write these two letters RQ, upon this you draw one bar line with both sided arrowhead. Then line segment MN, you write this letter MN and draw one bar line only. In this way we represent ray, line and line segment. In question number 7, identify the fixed point in each of the following. Question number A, RS, upon that one arrowhead is given. So RS, in RS, R is the fixed point because towards S this arrowhead is drawn. So this is continued, but R is fixed. Similarly, in C, P is the fixed point, because towards Q this arrowhead is drawn, means towards Q this ray will be continued, will be extended towards Q. So in this, P is the fixed point. In XY, X is the fixed point, because Y, towards Y the ray will be extended. So in this way we identify the fixed point of a ray. In question number 8, classify the lines shown below as parallel, intersecting or perpendicular. Figures are given in the book in question number 8a. Those two lines are perpendicular lines. So we write here perpendicular. In question number B, this is question number. In question number D, in question number B, two lines are drawn. Between these two lines, the distance is equal. Therefore, in question number B, these two lines are parallel lines. We write here parallel. In question number C, lines are perpendicular. We write perpendicular. And in question number D, the lines are perpendicular again, because right angle is made at the point of intersection, and so that is the perpendicular with it perpendicular and intersecting lines, both perpendicular and intersecting. Question number E, that is perpendicular line, because 90 degree is made, so those two lines are perpendicular. In question number F, lines are intersecting lines. Both lines are crossing to each other at a point, so those two lines are intersecting lines. Question number G, again those are perpendicular and intersecting lines. In question number H, those two lines are parallel. In question number I, those two lines are perpendicular and intersecting. Since here symbol of perpendicular, that 90 degree is not given, so we write only intersecting, not perpendicular. Intersecting lines. Similarly, in question number A also, we can write the perpendicular lines, but 90 degree is not made. That is little confusing. So let us check that 12.18 question number A. Perpendicular and intersecting. This is both perpendicular and intersecting.